Ma'am.
Okay, so let's start. Let's start with chapter 1, exercise A.
Okay, ma'am.
True, false. Doctors use computers for tests like CT scan, MRI, and other medical tests.
True.
Okay, so let's see.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
that is absolutely correct answer. So students who has not written this, you write it now. All the physical devices of a computer that we can see and touch is called software.
False.
That is false. Okay, the C spelling, you make it correct if it is wrong in your book also.
Ma'am, you can tell me the first number answer.
The first number answer.
True. The first number answer is true.
The first was true. Okay. Second one is false. And here you can see SEE. Just make it correct. Yes, and the answer is right. Next, a joystick is an input device commonly used to control video games.
True.
Yes, correct answer. So this will be true. Next, the pen drive is a main storage device.
False.
Think about it and tell me true or false. Whatever you will say, I will just click on that.
False. I'm true.
Okay, I'm getting 2 true and 1 false from you. So this is why I'm just clicking on true. Let's see which one is the correct answer. This is incorrect. The answer is false. Why? Because this is not the main storage device. The main storage device is inside the computer. Yes.
Pen drive is a portable storage device.
It is a portable device. Yes.
It will be false.
The pen drive is a portable device and
It's
we
not a
can carry it
competition.
with us and we can change the documents, we can change the informations, we can delete it, we can save it, but it is not the main storage device. It is a portable device. Okay, so this answer will be false. Now tell me this one. Computers are the main tools which help in developing.
I'm true. Yes, true. True.
So you are saying true. Let's see.
If
This is
not
correct
used,
or
then it will be hard. So we'll.
yes, so this is the correct answer.
True.
Next, ATM allows customers to deposit and withdraw money.
I'm true.
False.
Okay, let's
False.
see. This is correct answer. Yes. So
How
let's
it
view
will
all
be
the
false? How it will be false? You never seen an
we
ATM.
go to ATM to either withdraw or to sub or to yes, save the money, deposit the money. Now doctors use computers. This one, the first question, the answer will be true. The second answer will be false. The third answer will be true. The fourth answer will be false. It will not be true, okay? It will be false. The fifth answer will be true. And the last answer will also be true. So all of you have written these answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, part B.
Fill in the blanks.
Fill in the blanks. Computer works on the principle of
IPO cycle. IPO cycle.
IPO
IPO
cycle.
cycle.
Software refers to the instructions.
Programs or programs.
Or programs. Desktop microphone and handheld microphone. Yes, don't make any noise. Students, don't make any noise. You are in class 5 now. So you should better know how to keep the silence of the class. Desktop microphone and handheld microphone are two types of
Microphone.
microphone.
Hospital.
Dash management systems can store data about patients.
Ma'am, hospital.
Hospital. Computers are playing an essential role in verifying the
Ma'am, checks. Checks.
checks. Computers are used to scheduling and rescheduling of
Flights.
trains and
Flights.
this one, see here it is written fights. It will be flights, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
F-L-I-G-H-T, flights. All the answers are correct. Anushka,
Yes,
from
ma'am.
your device, that song is coming. You are
Ma'am,
singing
Anushka
there.
is
Don't do
singing.
that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Anushka
don't
is
do that.
singing.
So everyone write the answers. First answer will be IPO cycle. Second answer will be programs. Third answer will be microphones. Fourth answer will be hospital. And fifth answer will be checks. Okay. Now let's move to the next part of this exercise, that is tick mark or part C.
Yes, ma'am.
We can use the computer at home.
To listen music.
To listen music. Yes, ma'am. Music.
Go from one place to another, to play football, to listen to music.
Ma'am, to listen music. To listen to music. To listen to music.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
let's see which one is the correct answer. Yes, that is the correct answer. To listen music. CPU is known as the dash of the computer.
Brain of the computer. Brain.
Correct answer. A dash is an input device commonly used
Joystick.
on Very good, correct answer. Joystick is the right answer. Everyone write it. School uses computers to prepare
Report cards.
report cards. Correct answer.
Ma'am, like our school.
Yes, in your school you also get the online report cards, which
Yes,
is made by using the computers. Computers are used in both
Ma'am,
dash
all of
and
these.
recreating old
All of
movies.
these.
Redesign, readdressing, restoring, all of these.
Ma'am,
No, that is the incorrect answer.
Restoring, not others, ma'am. Only restoring. Old movies, ma'am. Recreating old movies. Restore, ma'am. It will be restored.
Tell me what will be the
No,
right answer?
ma'am, it will be all of these. I'm restoring. Because we can redesign also and readdressing also. I'm
Readdressing, design and restoring also.
Can I tell you something?
Yes,
Go to
Trisha.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, go to everyone please go to the entertainment section, ma'am, of page number 9. Ma'am, there is the restoring and this and ma'am old movie. That is the yes,
Ma'am, can't we redesign old movies?
Yes, ma'am. It can redesign the PowerPoint, the means all the
Yes, but
restoring and recreating.
yes, in the page number 9 in entertainment section.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, there is a line. There is a line.
There is a
Line, ma'am.
Start talking at everyone together. So let us find why that answer is incorrect. Okay, it is showing there incorrect. So yes,
Ma'am, in the point number 4. Point number
in
4.
entertainment, point number 4, restoring and recreating old movies. So what will be the answer in this case?
The old movie story.
Restoring. So the answer will be restoring. Okay.
Ma'am, may we ask you Priyanka ma'am? This will come.
The answer will be restoring. Now let's see what this device tells us. So
Yes,
according to
ma'am.
your book, the answer will be restoring. Now let's see. First, Sayon Halda device. Second one will be brain. Third one will be joystick. The fourth one will be report card. Now let's see what is the fifth one.
All of
Yes, restoring. So it is also written in your book as I didn't find it out. You have found it. That in the page number 9, interment section, point number 4. There it is written restoring and recreating old movies. So the answer will be restoring.
Ma'am, okay, Priyanka ma'am,
We'll do the chapter number 2, ma'am. Data and store media.
No, today we will not start any new chapter, but we will revise this same chapter. Okay, what you have
I'm
already
reading.
completed.